welcome to the song Roz Roz Aankhon. This is from the film Diva. So the song is composed by R.D. Burman and the song is written in E flat major and related minor of E minor. So the E flat major, as you must have learned from my theoretical slides, that following the principles of third and four and seven and eight semitone, any scale you can construct. Suppose E flat is your scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. Third and fourth semitone. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 and 8 is a semitone. That's correct. So the scale is perfect. This is the E flat scale. Now you have learnt also the formation of minors. If I move sixth note from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's the C. So C minor is your minor. The song is composed in C minor. So if I come backward 3 steps down, also is the C. So C minor can be reached either from E flat to sixth note or E flat to third note. So now applying the formula and using the scale of E flat, we are going to get the C minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh note is raised. This is the seventh note. I am raising it to. So B has come because B flat the B sign. So, but we will be using both the notes. The A flat raised A note, B flat raised B note. In the ascending, we can use them as a flat when we come back. So this is the keys involved in the song. So when we ascend, it may be using this. While descending, it may be using. This is how the scale of C minor is. And now you can play the song by having three flats and some accidental. The accidental is the A or the B. That's the accidental note that you may come across. So the song is in 4/4, 4 crochet pieces. Let's go one by one. First bar. So I have used this finger 3. Then I took the thumb on the bar number 1. Now the third bar. It's a different melody, not the same. See the fingering? I use the finger like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Either we use 1, 2, 3 for this way or this. So this way I can play because the song's notes are spread in that way. So from there I continue. One more time. Last time. Again my hand positions come back where I started. Now I move to the new section. Song moves in a different way on the bar number 10. So move your hand to the position so that you can access all the notes and continuously play the bar 10 and 11. So would I play? Again I came back to the same original position. I already played this, so it's easy to play. One more time. Bar number 10. Then Then bar number 14. Again my hand positions come back to the same place. So it's a repetition when you move further on bar number 19. So let's play it again. Oh my god, it's changing, not the same. So never assume yourself that it will be the same. No, play it every time. So then now it's same. So I completed about 22, 23, 24, 25. Now I'm coming to 25. I'm ending, stopping it there. So I came with then 26. So this finishes your first part of the song, and you have some music which is not that relevant that you can play and enjoy, but you can go to stanza straight away. So now we have the movement in another C position. So you can either have a C position this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this way, whichever way. So I prefer this way. C1 I will take it now. Then I will change my fingering. I played the bar number 28, 29, 29 over 30. One more time, 28 to 31 I'm going to play continuously. D, D, C, E, D, D, E, D, C, 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 G, D, B, B, A. Don't take your hand, your two will help you, and the thumb will go underneath the C. See how I got the finger again back to the same place. So see the fingering again. Again I am coming back from that bar number 32 position. Next 34. I change my fingering so that I move the second finger so that I can use the fourth finger and come back. How do you do? Then going to bar number 38. It's the same. Same again. 40. I played up to 39, 40. Now 41. 42 I played. Next. This is different, so you don't assume, as I said before, each bar follows. Some here and there, some changes will happen in the song, always. So 42, 43, 44, the change. Now again back to the song. Change your hand position. Next. That's all. The song is so easy. You know the notes. Keep your finger position. Watch my finger movement, how I did. Use your auto chords for the chords that I have prescribed over every chord. And the song takes wonderful shape. You will really enjoy it. Thank you.